In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your Instagram stories. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your Instagram account and you'll be taken to this homepage. Now to add your Instagram story, all you need to do is to tap on this plus icon under your image or your profile image, and under it you'll see your story. So when you tap on this plus icon, it will take you direct to your phone. And from here, go ahead and select the image that you want to use for your Instagram story. For my case, I'll use this Christmas image. If you wish to go ahead and add any information on your image, go ahead and tap on this letter AA, and this will open up a page where you can now write on your image. Go ahead and write anything that you so wish, and that is it. If you wish to change images, you can use the color wheel here to change your colors of your writings or the background. Next, go ahead and tap on this. You can as well go ahead and choose the people you wish to share with. For instance, you can choose close friends. And if you choose on close friends, you will be able to add the people you wish to share with. For my case, I just want to share with everyone, so I'll just tap on this. And then the next thing I'll do is to tap on share. And immediately I do so, I'll complete by tapping on done. And as you can see, my Instagram story is being loaded. And now the Instagram circle you can see here means that the story has been shared. So if I go ahead and tap on the image, or my friends tap on the image, they'll be able to see my Instagram story as it loads. So that's how you add Instagram stories on your Instagram account. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.